Set A Q.2 solution. Explanation of the code at the end. Explanation. Create a replace trigger T2. This line indicates that a new trigger named T2 should be created or replaced if it already exists. Before insert or update on employee for each row, this line specifies that the trigger should execute before any row is inserted or updated in the employee table. New refers to the values being inserted or updated in the current row. If new.id less than equals 0, then this line checks if the value of e in the current row is less than or equal to 0. If it is, then the T2 exception is raised. Raise T2. This line raises the T2 exception if the if condition is true. Exception when T2, then this line specifies that if the T2 exception is raised, the following code block should be executed. RDBMS_output.put_line, not valid employee ID. This line prints a message to the console indicating that the value of e is not valid. Insert into employee values -3 E4 A4. This line is an insert statement that tries to insert a row with an invalid e value -3 into the employee table. Since the e value is less than or equal to 0, the trigger is triggered, and an exception is raised. The insert statement will not be executed successfully.